How to add timestamps in your YouTube video. So first you want to open your video in the YouTube studio and edit it. Make sure it's publicly visible or unlisted, and then go to subtitles and basically enable the subtitles. Then you want to copy the YouTube video link and then open up a new tab and head to YouTube to transcript.com. And then paste the video link right here and click on get free transcript. Then scroll down and click on timestamps on right here, and then copy all the timestamps generated. Then you want to go to an AI such as Gork, and then basically write this prompt, generate YouTube chapters from transcript, and then basically paste the transcript generated from the other website and send this to Gork, and it will basically generate these chapters, which you can copy and go back to your video and simply paste it right here like this. And then you want to scroll down and click on show more and scroll down and make sure this is unchecked, because this will automatically try to generate chapters. So if you're doing it manually in the description, you want to uncheck this option and then click on the save button. And then you want to click on your YouTube video and it should take you to the video page, and then you should be able to see the chapters at the bottom right here. And whenever you click at a part, it should take you there to the video. But if you don't see it for some reason, like I'm doing right here, it's because your YouTube channel or YouTube account is not fully verified. So you want to click on the settings right here, click on channel and then future eligibility, and make sure you enable the intermediate features and the advanced features, which will basically require verification. And once you have all three features enabled, you want to basically come back to the video and should be able to display the chapters sliced. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.